Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? Jetties, long, narrow structures that extend from a landmass into the water, are often constructed to protect coastlines from erosion. Jetties can sometimes have the opposite effect, blink. Obstructing the natural flow of sand along the shore can lead to increased erosion in some areas. So from the second sentence, we can clearly see that it has two main clauses, or two independent clauses. The first begins with jetties can sometimes have the opposite effect, though. Second is obstructing the natural flow of sand along the shore can lead to increased erosion in some areas. So because there are two independent clauses, there must be appropriate punctuation to separate these two independent clauses. Such appropriate punctuation would look like a comma and a conjunction, semicolon, or some other form of punctuation. Now with this in mind, let's look at the answer choices. A. Effect, comma, though, semicolon. So this seems to be the correct answer, because for one, the comma before though properly separates the phrase jetties can sometimes have the opposite effect from the word though, which is correct. And the semicolon after the word though properly separates these two independent clauses from each other. Now, with this combined, the phrase effect, comma, though, semicolon, properly separates these two aspects of the sentence. So A seems to be the correct answer. B. Effect, comma, though. No other punctuation. So this is incorrect, because we can clearly see here that there is no proper punctuation to connect these two independent clauses. So because there's no proper punctuation except this comma, which cannot be used as proper punctuation because there's just but a comma, which would result in a comma splice in this case, B is incorrect. C. Effect, semicolon, though. No other punctuation. This is incorrect because the semicolon is placed before the word though rather than after it. This is a major issue because the word though is necessary to the first phrase, which highlights the contrast from the first sentence. Now, because this phrase does not the word though is not included before the semicolon, we can eliminate C because this makes an illogical sentence. D. Effect, comma, though, comma. This is incorrect because there is use of multiple commas, but commas on their own cannot separate two independent clauses, because that would result in a comma splice. So we can eliminate D because it would improperly separate these two independent clauses. And with this, we can see that the correct answer is A.